Thank you, Mrs. President. I'd like to say a couple of words also in my capacity as a shadow rapporteur for the other two reports, and thank very much Mrs. Kaufmann for the way we worked together, and also thank Mr. Franza for his work, and imagine that on his report we reached 57 compromise amendments, which says something about the level of work we put in. Probably on the report in absentia, the most sensitive aspect relates to the fact that in some member states, when judgments are rendered in the absence of the defendant, the solutions are to have a retrial, thus fully respecting the European Convention of Human Rights, Protocol number 7, Article 2, and also the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, while other countries do not recognize but the right to an appeal. Unfortunately, this proposal and this report is not about harmonization of the 27 legislations that exist in this moment. And although I think that in the future we should aim at having a European legislation, I think that for the time being we did our best, at least ensuring that even in the appeal the defendant enjoys the procedural guarantees as provided for by Article 5 and 6 of the European Convention of Human Rights. And I'd like to conclude by saying that the good functioning of the principle of mutual recognition of judicial decisions requires a high level of mutual confidence between the member states, and this confidence must be based on a common observance of human rights and fundamental principles. Thank you.